Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSRcreations. Back today with another video, and I'm doing alcohol inks again. So these, I go in stages with my art. So right now I'm on an alcohol ink kick. These are 12-inch round Yupo. I got them at Amazon. I will put the link in my description box. All my supplies will be in my description box. There's my heat gun. I'm going to be using Ranger Pitch Black. And I believe I use another color, but I haven't decided that yet, apparently. All right, so I'm just going to put some alcohol ink down. And then I'm going to add my alcohol, and I have my alcohol in these little needle nose tip bottles. And I'm actually just going to blow this out with my breath, just to move it out. So I'm going to do that to each one of them. The Pitch Black is a really cool ink because it has so much depth to it, and it you can almost see like a pink and a rust gray in it. It's really pretty ink. I've done a painting where it's just all the pitch black and brass. Okay, so I'm just heating it up. Drying it with my heat gun. Got to be careful with your heat gun if you're using this type of heat gun. You don't have to use this type. You can use a hair dryer. Just with the hair dryer, you got to be careful that it's not going to blow your inks, that you don't want them to blow. With a heat gun, it's hot, so you have to be careful and move it quickly across the paper and not too close, because you will warp the paper. Done it many times. And then your paper's ruined and your art is ruined. There's not much flattening out after you warp your paper with heat. Okay, so I'm actually adding, I think this is Stream, I think. I will have to check on that, but I'm pretty sure it's Stream. I didn't even show it to you, did I? It's like a blue turquoise. So again, I'm just putting that down and blowing it out, adding the alcohol. I want the two to kind of combine here. Nice. My glove is ripped. I like that. Looks good, doesn't it? Probably from the heat. All right, I'm sorry you can't see this. It's hard sometimes when I'm trying to blow on it to keep it in frame. But I'm just blowing on it. Okay, so I'm adding some more of the Stream color and the alcohol. And just blowing it out. And drying it. I dry it because once I get what I like, I want it to stay there, at least until I'm ready to add more alcohol and blend. There you go. So you can see why I did that. Now I can get the wispy area out without really affecting the other area that I dried too much. So I'm just going to continue to do this, and I'm going to actually play a little music for you. And I'll let it go. I won't speed it up too much. I'll speed it up a little bit. But this one actually came out really pretty. I was really happy with it. All right, so I'll catch you on the end, all right? Okay, so I'm just cleaning up some areas where I got alcohol ink and I didn't want it. You saw when I was adding the brass, it dripped, and so I had to change my plan. But it looks beautiful. I'm happy with it. Very light and airy. Really pretty. The pitch black is just stunning. With it turns to like a blush pink color. This piece is really pretty, and I'll probably I'll mount this. Possibly I'll mount this on a wood round and then resin it, maybe. Or maybe I'll frame it. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, the area is really pretty right there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. I get back to you pretty quickly. And yeah, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.